Coming at ya!
I almost have all the sweet, sweet jelly I need to fix your little mishap. But watch out, my darling. Your next journey will take you to a place where fun and fear have become one and the same. You'll have to go back to the amusement park called Glove World.
Yay!
We'll see about that. Your costume is almost complete, but to get you into Glove World, it's missing one more ingredient. The breath of a pufferfish.
Maybe Mrs. Puff knows where we can get the breath of a pufferfish. After all, she is a...
This glove hat can only mean one thing!
You can finally shake hands with your whole head now!
Someone besides SpongeBob, help!
Don't worry, Mrs. Puff. We'll get you back down.
Ooh, someone left melted cheese all over the ground!
Patrick, I think that's hot lava.
Well, I lava me
This
some
town has
cheese!
really changed, man.
This lava's making my forehead dry.
Oh, thank you, Patrick. Thank you.
This town has really changed, man.
You do care. I'm feeling better already.
This town has really changed, man.
Wow, that was fantastic, Mrs. Puff. Could you do that again, please?
I most certainly won't.
Oh, please, 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 please. Huh? Oh!
Good luck, SpongeBob. Don't mess this up.
Don't worry, Mrs. Puff. We have this under control. Mrs. Puff sure must have fun doing this all the time. Am I right, Patrick? Agent Poor Bearer calling for best friend support. Over. Patrick?
Game over.
First, I lost Bikini Bottom, and now I've lost my best friend.
Loser.
No, I can't lose as long as I keep trying. I'm gonna find Patrick, and together we will bring Bikini Bottom back to normal.
Welcome to Cloud World. I'm your host, Clapping Glove, and I just glove having get to my park.
Patrick!
Who's got 5 fingers and a new best friend? It's me, Clapping Glove. Glovey hasn't had any new visitors since you isolated the park with your cosmic shape. It's so lonely here, and no one will hide behind me anymore. Just give up and enjoy the ride to your doom. Don't forget to ride our world-famous attraction. There are cut or gloves the rest.
Oh, if only Patrick were here, we'd ride all the rides together and eat heaps of ice cream. But without him, I'd just end up heartburned.
Patrick told me he doesn't want to play with you anymore, SpongeBob. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, say hello to SpongeBob. He's a silly sponge who thinks Patrick is his best friend.
Pardon me, gentlemen, but have you seen a sea star around here? Pink, shaped like a balloon, also my best friend? No. Ooh, more jelly! No more chafing. All right, SquarePants, you've made it this far. You have to keep going. You can't turn your back on your best friend. After all, you have to talk to yourself when he's not around. Ooh, more jelly! I'm feeling better already.
SpongeBob let his best friend go because he only cares about himself. Isn't that sad?
Maybe there's something useful in all this junk.
Attention, boys and girls. If you don't love our theme park anymore, you can blame
I am the wielder of the mighty roof blower. I'm not gonna be stopped by a bunch of jelly drops. Hang in there, Patrick. I'm coming for ya. Nothing can stop me now.
you fallen right into my trap, SpongeBob. And there's no exiting this ride. You'll never give up on the
Glove World Jail? Only the most exclusive members get to access this attraction. Sticky sweet.
You got the wrong guy! I was just holding those stolen glove lights for someone else!
I'm feeling better already.
Caution! Maintenance doors open!
Are you having fun yet, SpongeBob? Are you Patrick is? When you visit Glove World, you never, ever have to leave.
I don't know if Spot is tall enough to ride any of these rides.
Bring back SpongeBob. He's mine forever. All mine. You cut Glove World off of the world with that cosmic shake, so we can't have any new guests in the park. And the ones who are here feel trapped. No one is having any fun with me anymore, and it's all their fault.
The Krusty Krab! It is here! Oh, if I'm this excited, I can only imagine how Squidward is gonna feel. Ahem.
It's not what it looks like! He forces me to take best friends pictures!
Oh, don't worry, buddy! Help has arrived! I'm your biggest fan in the whole world! Could you please give me a thumbs up?
Anything for a fad.
Well, in that case, how about letting Patrick go?
No, that ever since you threw Bikini Bottom into utter cosmic chaos, all visitors have vanished from this once beautiful oasis of fun. And with them, their adoration for me. Do you know what becomes of a glove without love?
I'm gonna go with G. Stop smothering him! It's time I realized even the best glove can be cold. I won't let that happen to you, Glovey Glove. Hold on, Patrick! I'm coming!
Show that glove who's boss, SpongeBob!
You must be this tall to save Patrick.
No, thank you!
Hurry, SpongeBob, he's so creepy!
Hang in there, buddy! Sorry, nothing personal. Ew! No more cheating. A little bit.
Go long! Patrick is mine, and I will never let him go!
I'm almost there, Patrick!
You can do it, buddy!
That should cover my buns. I admire you, Glovey Glove, but you leave me no choice. Is that what I think it is? A reef blower.
Looks like you're wide open!
more chafing.
Let's play catch! Just go home, SquarePants!
Don't listen to the scary hand, SpongeBob!
I'm so lonely.
It's just hard to see your childhood heroes hit rock bottom.
Don't worry, Patrick. I have something with me that can cheer up our friend.
A Squidward action figure?
Even better. You have a world of friends.
You're right. I have a world of friends. They all adore my fixed smile and my haunting blank stare. Thank you.
I always knew you'd come for me, SpongeBob.
I will never leave you out of my sight ever again, Patrick. You're my best friend ever. Don't worry, Glovey Glove. I'll get Bikini Bottom back to normal and get lots of visitors back into Glove World to love you just like we do.
SpongeBob?
Please, you toxic yellow polluter! We've gotten reports from multiple sources with the same megalomaniacal voice that you're responsible for all this trash around the Krusty Krab and the Chum Bucket. You either pick it up or you pick jail!
Whoa! I don't know where all this trash came from, but I do love to pick things up. Plus, it'll give me a chance to work with Bikini Bottom's finest, the Garbage Men. Sign me up! Is there anything that shouldn't be recycled?
Old jokes? It feels good to clean up the ocean.
Who would leave all this trash around here?
We sure did a lot today. Huh, it's been fun. See you later.
Wait, Patrick. Shouldn't we bring the rest of the jelly to Cassandra so she can fix all this chaos?
Oh, yeah. Well, I guess I can squeeze that in.
Ooh, more jelly.
SpongeBob SquarePants, this time you took things too far.
Well, well, well. His Royal Highness finally decided to show up.
This snail oil saleswoman broke into my royal bath time chamber and stole my bubble soap.
She never posed any real danger until your can-do attitude enabled her. Do you have any idea how much power she'll wield once she has enough jelly?
Silence! I am now the queen of the ocean, and with the power of the cosmic jelly, I will reshape the seas according to my wishes.
SpongeBob, I have tolerated your annoying little slip-ups for years now, but I have had it. Because of you, I have been kidnapped, I had to relearn to speak, and my toilet is clogged with jelly. Enough is enough. You know what? It's not that bad. I'll just get the plunger.
You're going nowhere, my delicious little rage muffin. You have the perfect attitude to be my new pet.
This is it, Patrick. My wishes may have shaken up the world, but Cassandra's the one who's gone out of control. It's time to stop it for good and save our friends once and for all.
And look really cool while we do it!
Patrick, stay close to me!
Over there, SpongeBob!
No more chafing.
I'll get you. How dare you! Mine the giant tentacles!
And Squidward woke up on the wrong side of the rock! Extra grumpy today.
Oh, Squidward, I'm so glad you're back to normal.
Ugh, what happened? And why does my mouth taste like jelly?
I have to hand it to you, SpongeBob. Your quirky approach did what the Royal Guard failed to do. You apprehended Madame Cassandra. Of course, you also empowered her to nearly destroy us all. But That's jelly under the bridge now. As a reward for your outstanding bravery, I shall grant you one final wish, so make it count.
After today, there's only one thing I could wish for, and that is...
That was fun! I wish we could do it all over again!
Patrick, no!
Attention! Attention! This just in!
1 hour later.
Yeah.